Hello, I'm Bishara Yared. I'm the CEO of Look to Innovate and would like to introduce our great headset solutions. And these headsets are made for professional usage in large exhibitions. They have, in general, uh, important features as being very rigid, solid, and light, pleasant to use, and especially if the cable breaks, you change the cable. Okay. Now we have three models. Each one gives a specific advantage. The first one, as you can so that does not touch the ear, is hygienic. The second headset is that gives is light and gives a very high quality sound, and that has been used for exhibitions like Tupac Shakur in LA, where you had thousands of units used over for a year with great, pleasant way of using them. And last is our new headsets that that have been made for specifically for the Johnny Holiday exhibition in Brussels, and they required a high quality sound, and it will be also used for the Formula One exhibition in Madrid. Thank you very much. And if you want more information about our Twist solution, the Twist Hi-Fi, and this Twist XL, please visit our website on looktoinnovate.com.